Hey everyone! Thank you for joining us for another repair. Today we're out in White Rock, working on a premium Thermador refrigerator that's having some major cooling issues. Let's look behind the cover to see what's going on. As you can see, the system is completely frozen with massive ice buildup. This happens when the defrost system fails. The heater element and sensors stop doing their job, causing the coils to freeze solid. We had to manually defrost everything inside here and swap out the faulty heater element and sensors for brand new parts. Everything is put back together, the new parts are in, and the fridge is already powered on and cooling perfectly. If you need any help with your appliance in Vancouver, contact us today. We will be happy to help.